I bet you didn't know you can analyze any spreadsheet, even if you hate math, using just ChatGPT and 3 simple steps. Let's break down how the DIG framework turns data dread into data delight. Here's how it works. First, description. Just upload your dataset to ChatGPT and ask it to list all the columns, show random samples, and check for data issues. No formulas needed. Next, introspection. Ask ChatGPT what cool questions you can answer with your data and where you're missing info. Want to know Apple TV's most popular genres? Or why available countries is 99% empty? ChatGPT spots the gaps and suggests new insights. Finally, goal setting. Tell ChatGPT your objective, like finding out which shows deliver the best ROI, and it builds you a step-by-step game plan. That's it. The DIG framework turns anyone into a confident data analyst, fast. Grab the free prompts and Apple TV Plus dataset in the description and level up your data game today.